Welcome to Mike's Man Cave and welcome to another unboxing video. Now today we're going to be unboxing a gaming keyboard, a wired gaming mouse and a mouse pad. Now I'm not into computers. My son actually bought these for himself because he is in the process of building a gaming computer, and we'll probably have a few more videos about this computer. However, for today, he's been to K-Mart and he's bought these, and we're going to have a look at them. If they're no good, especially the keyboard, we'll probably take it back. So we've got a gaming keyboard, 3 backlight colours, ergonomic design with palm rest. Now it's got a 1.5 metre USB cable and it supports Windows 7, 8 and 10, whatever that means. There you go, looks pretty fancy for a cheap keyboard from K-Mart. Now the next thing we've got is a wide gaming mouse, and the mouse does appear to have colour changing lights as well, and a braided cable for anti-tangle. And clearly to go with the mouse, we've got a mouse pad, which is a gel type pad. So we'll be unboxing these, he'll be unboxing these right now. Okay, there it is, looks pretty fancy. It's got some special buttons there, which I guess are for gaming. That looks fancy. Yep, you can press the buttons, seems to be good. There you go, I'll give you a scan across the keyboard so you can have a look at it. And for the gamers out there, you probably know what half these buttons are for. Now, it looks like it's got a fancy braided cable and just a standard USB plug on the end. Now later on in the video, we'll plug these in and we'll have a look at how it lights up, see if we can show you that. Okay, let's have a look at it. Again, looks pretty fancy. It's got a wheel there, some button.
Has some buttons on the side here as well.
Okay, so it's got fancy buttons on the side, a special thing there, so you can rest your thumb on it. Let's have a closer look at it. Not bad for the price from K-Mart, I guess. I don't even know how much these were. And again, it's got the fancy braided style cable and a standard USB plug on the end. Now these are supposed to light up, so we'll try and plug these in for you now, just so you can see them light up. And look, I'm not going to film the unboxing of that. Okay, it's a mouse pad, gel pad, seems pretty nice for the money again. So you've got the complete gaming set here. You've got the keyboard, you've got the mouse, you've got the mouse pad. Let's see if we can light these up. Now what we've done, because we don't have the computer yet, he's just plugged this into his PlayStation over there. Bit of a mess, but anyway. And here's the keyboard all lit up. Looks pretty fancy if you ask me. There you go. And there's the mouse all lit up. Seems to be changing colours there. Seems to be doing something. Oh, there it goes. Changing colours. The K-Mart gaming keypad and mouse. Seems pretty fancy. I don't know much about gaming computers, but it's a lot better than anything that I used to have. If you've got any questions about this setup, leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer your questions. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the keyboard, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.